this is my first video of myself talking in this channel. Yeah. So today I'm going to unbox and put this together. This is 108 piece. It has 108 piece, and the size is 18.2 times 25.7. You can see right there. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see right here, this is the one I'm going to be unboxing. I don't want to ruin the box. This, I don't know what is it for. I think it's for like, it's kind of like sticky. It shows here like this. It's for like when you finish the puzzle, when you finish putting the puzzle together, like hopefully the puzzle won't fall, something like that. I'm not sure how to explain this. And this, which I don't know how to read it because it's in Japanese. And there also it has this thing so that you can use this to scrape the puzzle to make it stick together so that it won't fall out. Okay, watching some YouTube videos while I put this together. 现在有不少的小伙伴都非常羡慕各个。
the next day.
So now I'm going to use this, which we unboxed earlier, to put it together, to stick it together. To scrape it together with this. So I glued all the sides, and now I'm going to wait for it while I go shower, while I go take a bath, take a shower or a bath, whatever. I don't know what it's called. But yeah, let's wait for the results. If it does not dry later, I'm gonna leave it until tomorrow.
Later.
So this is the final moment that you guys has been waiting for. I put all the glue together and now it has been dry. Hopefully it won't fall off. and the back looks like this. It's so pretty. I'm glad that I chose this. Look at it. This here is not shiny because just now I accidentally took off the glue, but that's okay. But overall, it has nothing, it has no problem, and I'm so happy with it. Like from young, like for real, like from young, I hate puzzles so much because it's so hard to put it together. And I tried one like so long ago, but then I failed to put it together because it had me so stressed out. It has been halfway done, like not even halfway counted. And this is the first puzzle that I have finished by myself. I'm so proud of myself. Last time I haven't finished a puzzle by myself. I haven't done any puzzles, and when I saw this I knew like I had to try it again, give it a try, and putting it together. I think I have the inspiration to do this because of the tutorial, which I like. I love this animation. That's why I have the inspiration to do it. It motivates me to do it. So yeah, I'm going to put this in a glass frame or something and put it like near my bedside or something, or just a study table and my desk. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what other contents you'd like to see next.